to the level 4 lockdown regulations, which require all passengers to wear face masks. They say they're also providing hand sanitizers to make sure passengers disinfect their hands. There's been an increase in the number of people using public transport today after government said some businesses and industries could start operating under level 4 of the lockdown. Let's cross live now to our colleague Vanessa Poonah. Vanessa, very good morning to you once again. What can you tell us now?
Yes, good morning to you. At the moment we are at Cape Town taxi rank here in the city centre, and as we had seen at Bellville earlier on, it seems as though the numbers of commuters have indeed increased since the relaxation from lockdown level 5 to lockdown level 4. I've got some commuters who've just joined, who've just got out of the taxis here. One of them, good morning to you, ma'am. You've just come off a taxi. Where did you travel from this morning?
I'm coming from Goodwood. Yes, I just came with a taxi, and it's my first day going to work.
How are you feeling starting work today? Are you nervous? Are you happy about being back at work? And also tell us what your experience was on the taxi this morning.
It was very bad today because the taxis were not, it was not the same. They were traveling, but I had to wait for a little bit long in the station. So I'm very excited today to go back to work.
And also, has there been measures at the taxi? Have they sanitized? Are everybody wearing masks? Are the taxis adhering to the 70% as stipulated by government?
They were wearing masks, but they didn't use sanitizers. But they did wear masks, the passengers, and they were also seated in 10 in a taxi.
Now, today's your first day back at work. It must have been a tough month for you. What kind of work do you do? And also, do you have any fears about going back to work now that you have to be out in the public transport, traveling to work and back every day?
Yes, we have that fear because we're still scared of that virus because we might contact it. But we are going to work because it's been a tough. It's been tough. We had to stay at home, not going to work. But now, as we are starting to work, I think we will wear those PPE in the hospitals to protect ourselves. And
all the best to you as you start your work week today. Thank you very much for chatting to us.
Okay, thanks.
Of course, just one of many commuters that have come off taxis from the northern suburbs, telling us there that she's come from Goodwood. And we've seen all along Voortrekker Road, which is the main thoroughfare between the Bellville area as well as Cape Town Central, that there have been a marked increase in the number of cars as well as taxis. But also along the routes, we've seen scores and scores of people standing and waiting at banks as well as shopping centres, I suppose, because the social grants are also being paid out today. Very limited social distancing, if I can tell you. Behind us, of course, you'll see a number of taxis as well as operators and also commuters making their way to the various workstations and workplaces under level 4 lockdown regulations. Also, another commuter with me today. Sir, you've travelled by taxi as well?
Yes, sir. I travelled with taxi from Langa to Cape Town.
But how has the experience been for you?
No, it was very good for this morning. There was no complaint. Yes, I was traveling from Langa to Cape Town, but I'm coming to do my own things. I was visiting for Civic Centre, but when I came at Civic Centre, it was closed. Yes.
And so now you're travelling back home again?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm travelling back home, but there was no complaint, but I got everything in the taxi. I feel very well. It's a sanitizer. Everyone have a mask on. Yes, thanks very much.
Thank you very much for your time, sir. So as you can see, commuters indeed praising those that are travelling by taxi, saying that most of them are wearing masks. Some saying there hasn't really been sanitizing going on, but we've seen some taxis at Bellville earlier this morning taking every measure to protect not just their customers and passengers, but also themselves as more people, over 1 million or so countrywide, return to work today with the easing of the lockdown restrictions to level 4.
Vanessa, thank you so much for that update. Vanessa Poonah coming to us from the Cape Town taxi rank in the Western Cape. You're watching the agenda.